ahead of the her filing a nomination there. Mamta, in fact, recites the Chandi and Shiv part in Nandigram. She takes on the Hindu card, asking BJP if they know how to be a real Hindu, and she declares that she herself is a Hindu girl. Mamta Banerjee says to the BJP, don't play the Hindu card with me. She in fact went on to read the Chandi part extensively, and Mamta Banerjee there hit out at the BJP on Hindutva. Let me cut across to Paulami joining us, more details. Paulami, straight out campaign, Mamta Banerjee there officially launches her campaign in Nandigram, and she takes on the BJP on the Hindu card while she recites the Chandi part as well, extensively questioning the BJP if they know how to be Hindu and not to question her Hindutva.
Absolutely. This is vintage Mamta Banerjee that you saw here at Nandigram, kick-starting her campaign for this election. It is only going to get more fierce and shrill as the days progress towards the 1st of April, when Nandigram casts the ballot. Mamta Banerjee hit out at the Bharatiya Janata Party saying, don't play the Hindu card with me. I'm as much a Hindu as any one of you. Going on to recite the whole Chandi part, which she recites every morning. She performs puja at home. She recites the Chandi part every morning before stepping out from her house, and she said exactly that in fact, and she went on to recite the whole thing over here as well. You can hear the conch shells being blown here on the ground by the TMC party workers, who are also, of course, kick-starting now this campaign for Nandigram for their TMC candidate. She told them, of course, and assured them that I am here to stay. I have rented out a house for 1 year. I will keep coming back here every 3 months, and if you, of course, give me permission and I have your support, I will then go on to build a house for myself. Now I'm only renting, I'll build a house for myself in Nandigram. She said, I am a village girl as well. Don't think I'm some city girl. Yes, the city has given me a lot, but I hail from the village. My childhood is associated with the village itself. And of course, very importantly, Nabila, that very emotional appeal that she made to the people of Nandigram, reciting several instances during those agitation days, during the days of the struggle, when she says that she, of course, hoodwinked the CPM government in order to reach Nandigram when they were trying to stop her. She had a gallbladder operation. The doctors advised her rest for 2 months, but she continued on her journey towards Nandigram, hopping over buses, going on a scooter, hiding from the CPM government at that point of time, and reaching the local district hospital in Tamluk as well. So several emotional instances that she recited over here in order to remind the people that when Nandigram happened, when Shingur happened, when you faced the atrocities of the then left-front government, I stood with you, and I remember every little instance, everything as if it was yesterday. And then they call me an outsider. I am as much a Bengal girl. I am from this state. If I wasn't from this state, how would I have been chief minister? So nobody who hails from Gujarat, she said, should call me an outsider. So a very fierce attack and a sharp attack by Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee, then of course seeking permission from the people of Nandigram, saying, if you tell me right now, go back home, I'm not filing my nomination, I will go back home. But if you give me your permission, tomorrow is when I will file my nomination papers.
Right. Paulami, do stay with us. I'd like to quickly cut across to Mamta Banerjee. Right while she started the speech in Nandigram, officially launching her campaign, she began to recite the Devi part as well. Let's take a listen.